What's your last name, sir?
Jones.
Jones. Is it Jamarcus? Okay, Mr. Jones, you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On June 22nd, 2024, officers of the HPD crime suppression team were advised that they observed a large group of individuals gambling/shooting dice, a Class D violation, at the corner of 300 Riley and 3100 Alabama in Harris County, Texas. Officers arrived at the location and observed the defendant among the individuals gambling, and the defendant began walking away upon officers' arrival. Officers issued multiple verbal commands to the defendant to stop in order to detain and identify him for the gambling investigation. Upon detention, officers conducted a weapon pat-down of defendant's person and located a loaded Glock 19 handgun in the waistband of the defendant, unholstered with a round in the chamber. The officers identified him as the defendant and that he was 17.
So did anyone see him shooting dice?
Officers were dispatched to individuals gambling and shooting dice, but it doesn't say that they personally observed him.
So they don't know what he was doing. He was just in the crowd.
Just that he was among the individuals gambling. I told you so.
Yeah, I know. All right. Mr. Jones, I'm going to find no probable cause in your case. Be careful, man. You're only 17. God forbid you have to use something like that and end up in a position where you're going to stuck in the pokey for a long time. Do you understand? What do you do in life, man? Go to welding school. There's no need for you to have a gun at this moment, man. You're only 17. Get to welding school. You can make a ton of money. And I'm telling you, you go do underwater welding, 150 a year. You kill it. That's what you should be. That's what you should be killing. You know what I mean? All right, go ahead, take a seat for me, sir. Again, walking while black.
In this courtroom session, a young man named Jamarcus Jones stood before judge to face a serious charge: unlawful carrying of a weapon. At just 17 years old, Jamarcus was caught up in a situation that could have drastically changed the course of his life. According to the report, officers from the HPD crime suppression team responded to a complaint of illegal gambling at the corner of Riley and Alabama streets. Upon arrival, they saw a group of individuals engaged in a dice game. While it was unclear if Jamarcus was directly participating, he was among the crowd and began to walk away as officers approached. The officers issued commands to stop and conducted a pat-down search, which revealed a loaded Glock 19 handgun in his waistband, with a round chambered and ready to fire. Though this discovery was serious, the case rested on whether there was probable cause to believe a crime had been committed. The report lacked evidence of Jamarcus personally gambling or committing another violation beyond simply being present. After reviewing the facts, judge determined that no probable cause existed to pursue charges further. Yet, the judge's words carried a stern warning. At 17, with so much life ahead, carrying a loaded gun could lead to tragedy, either through an encounter with law enforcement, an accidental discharge, or a criminal act gone wrong. Instead, the judge encouraged Jamarcus to pursue a different path, such as a trade career in welding, where he could earn a substantial living and build a secure future without risking his freedom. This case serves as a powerful reminder that one wrong choice can lead to life-altering consequences. To avoid situations like this, young people must understand the dangers of carrying weapons, especially when underage and unlicensed. Choosing education, skills, and legal opportunities over risky behavior is the real path to success.